Alright, what's going on, everybody? Just finished putting the winter wheels and tires on my Bronco Sport, so look at that shiny hotness. Oh yeah, look at that. I know they're gonna get dirty real quick, just like these. Honestly, Bridgestone Blizzaks are probably the best winter tire that I've used, and I will continue to use them on all my vehicles. But right now, what I would like to do is a maintenance start on my GR86 because I haven't started this thing in a few weeks, maybe 2 weeks now. So I don't really drive this during the winter. I don't intend on driving it too much during the winter just because there's so much snow and ice on the ground here in Alaska. But let's give her a shot. Clutch in, you know. Check the manual. Oh yeah. Here we go. Yeah, look, okay, it says 27 on there. I don't know, it's probably closer to 27 in this garage. I'm gonna let this warm up for a little bit, and yeah, let's take a quick walk around. Ooh, yeah, it's kind of challenging to get out of. There we go. Love these headlights. So I do think it's important to run your engines throughout the winter. Especially in cars you don't plan on driving the whole winter. That's just my take on it. I think this is proper maintenance to let the engine warm up to temp and then let it ride. Alright, so I'm gonna let that warm up and probably just turn her off. I do like this car. I can't wait to drive it more in the spring. So this is gonna be a short clip video. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace.